Hi everyone, this is Sarah, the Healthy Home Economist, and I'm very excited to introduce you to the Healthy Home Plus program. Healthy Home Plus is a new aspect of the blog that I've been envisioning for a number of years, and it gives you 5 new features that I think you will enjoy exploring. First of all, it gives you direct access to me through the chat box. There's a live purple chat box on every page of the blog, and with the click of a button, you can dialogue with me within minutes about whatever traditional diet or wellness topic that's on your mind. And I've been having a lot of fun chatting with a lot of you who have already signed up for the program. Secondly, Healthy Home Plus gives you the ability to tag any article on the site as your favorite. So when you log in, you have all your favorites tagged right there at your fingertips. So it's almost like a digital recipe card or some sort of a personalized wellness program that you can access at any time. And what's great is when you also log into Plus, every article on the site is ad-free for quick scrolling and printing of any articles that you might want to share with those in your family, and it just facilitates easier reading. The fourth feature of Healthy Home Plus is an ebook library, and I'm always adding new ebooks there for your enjoyment. You can download these ebooks to any reading device of your choosing and read at your leisure. The fifth feature of Healthy Home Plus is access to my most provocative content. You may have noticed that over 100 articles on my site haven't been available for the last couple years due to censorship and other issues that have been emerging on the internet. I'm happy to say that these articles are available again through Healthy Home Plus, and I'm adding to this content on a weekly basis so that you can see my most controversial research and my take on some of the toughest issues of our day. These articles are really not suitable for general consumption, which is why I've reserved them for Healthy Home Plus members only. Signing up for Healthy Home Plus is easy. Just click the link in the video or at the bottom of this page. They make a great gift too. See you in the chat box.